Imagine yourself in this 2017 Ram 2500 SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features included adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, power door locks, power steering, power windows, daytime running lights, traction control, trip computer and privacy glass. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.